हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं रमेश पटेल। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट ड्रग एक्टिंग ऑन hemopoietic system in pharmacology. Hemopoietic system mainly synthesis of erythropoiesis. तो affected mainly synthesis of erythropoiesis called drug acting on hemopoietic system. First will be hematinics. Hematinics, the agent required in the formation of blood used in treatment of anemia, that is called hematinics. Anemia occurs when the imbalance between production and destruction of RBC due to following factors. First of all, due to blood loss, acute or chronic diseases, impaired RBC formation due to deficiency of essential factor like iron, like vitamin B12, like folic acid. And next will be bone marrow disruption, and next distribution of iron in body, 50 milligram per kg in male and 38 milligram per kg in female. In hemoglobin, 66% iron is stored as a ferritin and 25% in myoglobin and 3% stored in the form of myoglobin. Ferritin, hemoglobin 66% is stored in the form of ferritin, 25 myoglobin, 3% is stored. Apoferritin plus ferric ion excess in the form of ferritin segregate into in the form of hemosiderin. Dietary requirement of iron: adult man 0.5 to 1 mg per kg, adult female में 1 to 2 mg per kg, infant 60 microgram per kg and children's 25 microgram per kg. Dietary source of iron: richest source in liver, egg, dry beans, fish, etc. In milk, very poor. The most important storage site of reticuloendothelial cells that occurs in spleen, liver, thymus gland. Absorption of iron: when take iron in the form of dietary form, ferric to ferrous by acid vaginolating agent, and also dietary form से हीम के फॉर्म में, फेरस फॉर्म में आयरन, देन फेरिटिन, फेरिटिन फॉर्म में एक्सफोलिएशन होगा इंटेस्टाइन में, दैट आयरन कन्वर्ट इनटू stored into apoferrin form and ferritin lifespan 2 to 4 days, whereas degraded ferritin curtained, and second way transferritin plasma bind membrane bound transferritin receptor. Dietary iron present in body two form: mucosal cell or vasolateral membrane of the mucosa. Vasolateral membrane of the mucosa. Iron deficiency and hemolytic state: transferrin receptor in erythropoietic cells increases in number, so the erythron becomes selectively more efficient with trapping iron. Storage: iron is stored in iron regulating element cells of liver, spleen, bone marrow, hepatocyte as ferritin के फॉर्म में. When iron is low in body, apoferritin synthesis is blocked by iron regulating element. When iron content is more in body, iron regulating element bind and causes synthesis of apoferritin. Factor affecting absorption like antacid, tetracycline and vitamin K reduces iron absorption. Oral dosage forms of iron: ferrous sulfate 20% iron content, ferrous gluconate 12% iron content, and ferrous fumarate 33% iron content, and colloidal ferric oxide 50% iron content available. ADR causes constipation due to astringent action. Iron requirement in case of human being calculated by 4.4 गुणे body weight and hemoglobin deficiency gram per deciliter. Next, drug acting on hemopoietic system, that is vitamin B12, also called cyanocobalamin or hydroxycobalamin. Deficiency of vitamin B12 causes megablastic anemia. It is essential for conversion of homocysteine to मेथियोनिन। तो ये आपका विटामिन B12 मेथाइलेटेड विटामिन B12 यहाँ पे मेथाइल टेट्राहाइड्रोफोलिक एसिड टेट्राहाइड्रोफोलिक एसिड में दैट मेथाक्सी ग्रुप ट्रांसफर टू विटामिन B12 एंड फॉर्म methylated B12, hence homocysteine convert methionine. Second work done of vitamin B12 conversion of malonic acid into in presence of vitamin B12 malonic acid vitamin B12 convert into succinic acid. Vitamin B12 is specific cell take up by liver cells. Vitamin B12 not degraded in body excrete mainly in by deficiency causes pernicious anemia, gastric mucosal damage, malabsorption and nutritional deficiency. Dietary source of vitamin B12 liver, green vegetable etc. Utilization adult person में less than 0.1 microgram per day, during pregnancy 0.8 microgram per day. Metabolic function deoxyuridylate से थाइमिडिलेट, तो मेथाइलेटेड आपका डाईहाइड्रोफोलिक एसिड से टेट्राहाइड्रोफोलिक एसिड, फिर मेथाइलेटेड फोलिक एसिड का जो कि सेरीन को ग्लाइसिन में कन्वर्ट करेगा. आल्सो प्यूरिन सिंथेसिस, हिस्टिडीन मेटाबॉलिज्म, कन्वर्जन ऑफ होमोसिस्टीन टू मेथियोनिन.